Deputy National Coordinator Mafri SHS Secretariat no ye Dr. Belinda Glover obo won ho abaso pa safi mu die no bibia mu da ho fenchim na won hwe ani mo se mfia kada ani mo no so bibia ebe kamasa.
Most of them have been able to get schools and then they are already in school. Just one or two that come around for either residential status. Inti no so mo ba yetimi ye mom. Ebinuma ba ministry, ma ba your office o mo ba na ye ni omo adi nkomo kama na ya ama omo nti no bibia e fine bibia e kama. Ye say nchi na enye de nkafo ne ho but me de me ka say yetimi aye bi ana me ka say at least ohiani ba etime anya agri memorial na say Ghana national oma ankotua sika ama obi ana say manfa laptop no anfa anhye baby anko hide mi ho wo dem na obi aye line na waba utim say this year nko ade ye this year bonte ma obi ehu ya ye wo ba ho wo hu say laptop no si ho wo hu the we process na ye den ko ya anfa ankote wo kona bi mo no obi age envelope tin na ode aba say we na ya ama no na okọ de bi. It's open to the public. It's a public place you walk in, and then we address your issues or your concerns for you, and then you are gone. And you know, I say you be Ghana for baby now mobile house. So meet me in Ukraine. Meet me say at least this year, has been an exceptional placement. I wouldn't say we haven't had our challenges. There were challenges, but at least we have been able to surmount some of these challenges. And you know, Nyamekane say it's a learning curve. You know, will improve it in future. So we hope to say next year, it will be a better placement than this one. But I will say, regardless, we have done our best. It is better than our predecessors.